Hey guys, it's Damien here with Jordan. We have the Goose Guy, 3D printed Goose Guy. So the airframe without the bearing blocks and landing skids are printed by PCBWay. So if you guys want to print with them, I'll have a referral link down below. But we will be test flying this, and just really quick before we test fly it, Jordan, what do you think about the Goose Guy S2 at first glance? We do have the bearing block printed with this setup. So what do you think so far before the flight?
I think it looks really amazing if you like Walmart quality helicopters. I mean, hey, you could print it and have fun with it.
I mean, it's made out of nylon. I guess it's good enough for Walmart.
Yeah.
Walmart grade.
This is about the performance that Walmart sells.
Well,
if you're looking for
there
an
goes
RC
all
helicopter.
my work. It makes utterly no sense. Anyways, all right. So I'm going to switch the camera over so that you guys could see him fly, and we'll do a quick review right after that. And then typical Jordan.
So easy to see the frame on this thing.
We probably flew this way harder than I ever have with the new bearing block, so I'm impressed. I did make sure that the bearing block is super solid, so I'm glad it's at least performing.
No bobble or anything. This thing is so awesome.
Good. Jeez. Alright, I think your timer went off. Actually, no, I think you're... Actually, no, you're good, you're good. I'm having a heart attack just watching this thing go. Good lord. Oh my gosh. Well, just so you guys know, while he is flying, this airframe will be at IRCHA of 2024. Both myself and Jordan will have a 3D printed Goose Guy by then. So if you want to join the club, goodness gracious. Anywho, if you guys want an airframe printed out, and meet me at IRCHA. God, this thing performs. Another typical Jordan move. Sweet. Awesome, awesome. All right, so flew it way. I seriously thought the bearing blocks would have broken by now because I don't fly that hard. Almost had a heart attack, but anyways, what do you think?
This thing flew solid. Definitely above Walmart quality.
Okay.
Pretty amazing for 3D printed. I mean, no bobble as you saw, and this thing was solid as a rock.
Yeah, so PET G on the landing skids, PET G for the bearing blocks, and then nylon, and nylon. And by the way, these are just self-tapping screws, except for the motor. Obviously, none of this is 3D printed, but well, that was a much better flight than I could have ever even dreamed of. Thank you. So if you guys have any questions about it, please let me know in the description below. And these parts will be on Thingiverse and Printables, so by the time you watch this, everything should be out by now. And if you guys like this type of content, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
And definitely 3D print one of these for yourself. This is awesome.
All right, see you guys.